out there doing today? Look who's here with us, my baby Shoshana. Say hey, honey.
Hey, honeys. I mean, foodie fam.
I have a gyro today, y'all. Look at that. Oh, yes. Can you see that? I got a
gyro burger. You see that? Oh.
Ooh,
and we got
some food.
And we got
gyro fries, y'all. Look at
that's
gyro fries. Garlic fries. I'm sorry. Look at that. Ooh,
okay, so I'm going to turn my abs around so as I'm digging in, y'all can be digging in with me, you know what I'm saying? I really don't like to share my fries, but because y'all foodie fam.
Yeah.
And I got some pink lemonade.
Garlic fries is the ish.
And I'm going to put some mild sauce on these garlic fries. And I'm about to
I'm
put
out of Coke. My kids done drank up the Coke from me.
I told her to put that Coke up. The house is about, like, we don't get pop in the house how it is, so... yeah, when she buy pop, it's gone.
Now,
Tropicana, pink lemonade, hands down, the best. Minute Maid, orange juice, hands down, the best.
I don't know what I want to eat first.
I feel like...
yeah. I'm about to have a bow.
that is a small. Just to let y'all know. That is a small.
Y'all. I got ketchup and mild sauce. What you talking about?
Y'all just do not understand. It's so good. Like, look at her gyro, bro. Like, I dang near want to bite, but I have a cheeseburger version of what she
You will
wants.
see a mama fight their daughter over some food today. We ain't playing that over here. Girl, eat my food. So what's going on with everybody? I hope everybody is in good health today. Good spirits. I'm hungry. Ooh. This I need. Ooh, I should have gotten the ketchup because these little packets is taking all day. And I ain't got time for it. Mild sauce.
It's so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. And we just go
Alpha gyros, y'all.
there you go.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm kind of hungry.
Kinda. I was on the verge of getting a headache, y'all.
Well,
Ooh, mild sauce. Mild sauce from Sharks and these fries, bomb. Bomb. You hear me? Bomb.
I ain't even get to my gyro yet.
These garlic fries are so good. As you can see, they were so, like, seasoned. I don't know. They doing some type of something in the back.
Some kind of something in the back.
I gotta figure out what they're doing in the back. Because this place, like, never disappoints. And it's crazy because we just started eating here and it's been open for like 25 years.
No, it's not. I ain't just start eating now.
Well, I just started
You
eating
just
here.
start eating now.
How long you been eating there? For like 2 years?
Nah.
Well, she never took us there. She must have been going with herself.
They burgers and stuff. They could keep that.
Burgers ain't nothing good.
And certain things I eat from Alpha.
Which is their gyro or their gyro cheeseburger.
It's either the gyro burger or the gyro. Period. There's another spot too that I eat gyro. 2 other spots. 3! But the drive today was just been too long, too far. And it's cold. Man, I went outside this morning.
Now, she was mad exaggerating. Let me tell y'all something. During the, what is it, the polar vortex or whatever? This lady had us outside shopping. We were shopping. All we did today was get an oil change and get this food. That's all.
She wasn't out there this morning.
You're right, I was knocked out. But
I had to drop them kids off at school. And boy,
I mean, they got extra season today. I love you, whoever in the back. Shout out to the chefs. Y'all the bomb. She wanted it again.
We ain't having.
She need a bib. This lady a bib.
Y'all, I done mac. Look at this. All them fries is gone. I'm hungry.
This juice is gone. This stuff is so good.
Once I start drinking, I'm gonna be full.
So, y'all know, this is how y'all can tell the food good if she not drinking a lot. You see how she ain't even open up that pop, y'all.
That's not true. Sometimes I'm just,
Well, I ain't gonna lie, I've been drinking a lot, but this food good. But I'm just a drinker. I love drinking. Let me wash down everything. Just tastes so good. Her gyro is so good, y'all.
y'all, I'm a savage today.
I deserve this. Y'all see the suffering I have to go through watching, especially that jambalaya pasta, y'all. Bomb.
That was too spicy for you, Shoshana.
I ate it. It was not even that spicy.
Girl, she couldn't eat that whole thing.
She
it was
loved
too
her
spicy.
I can't do. My whole life she been cooking with hot heat. Burn your mouth. My whole life. She don't like nothing. She just started not cooking so spicy.
Ooh. Ooh.
What's the pepper you always put in your food?
Hot pepper.
Habaneros. What's it, habaneros?
Habaneros or sometimes jalapeno.
Oh my gosh, y'all. She used to have, as a child, she used to have me like, can you please stop? And she would never listen to me. Never.
Ooh, y'all, look at, you know I'm full.
I'm like legit full off this burger.
The burger, I ain't even taste my stuff yet. Shoot.
You want me to give you a taste?
No.
I'll tell you how it tastes.
No, it's all good. Yes!
It's little, but it's gonna fill you up, trust me. I'll get out of that fight. Alright. You got dessert today?
Tea and banana.
And I tell y'all, she didn't want to get out the car. I was like, Mom, come on with me.
No, I didn't feel like it, y'all. I really didn't feel like it.
And just one of those days.
Yeah.
When I want to be all alone, but she can't because I'm here.
Then I gotta take my son to the doctor. Just, I'm so not feeling like it, but
like she said in her other videos, you gotta do what you gotta do, no matter the weather.
It ain't even the weather. I'm not in the mood.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm full of hell.
That's what Afro Gyro do to you. Come on up here.
On my hand.
I was waiting in line. It was worth it. Because they get packed up in there real quick. She was on the phone with one girl for like, damn near 10-15 minutes just to order. I'm like, dang.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Look at all that onions and stuff. Ooh.
I don't know what they do with these fries, man.
Fries is good.
And they was not stingy on that seasoning.
It's not a hair. I need a good
Burp. I ain't got no burp for y'all because I'm drinking juice. Mm-hmm. That juice was tasting so good. Oh, y'all. Excuse me.
That was tiny.
I know, right? But it was mine. I feel like singing,
Ooh. Ooh. I just made room. Yes.
yeah, with that burp.
Mm-hmm. Y'all, I'm gonna have to start cooking because my son is getting real upset with me.
Hurt your son.
Mm-hmm.
The whole house. And you such a creature of habit. Go ahead and find a new recipe for her. Okay, I'm full, y'all. I'm full. I'm gonna just conversate with my mama until she done.
I'm kind of full. I ain't kind of. I'm full. But,
Ooh, and them fries are so, like, I'm about to show them the
I
napkin.
don't want to put
Full
my
of
food
seasoning,
down.
like, it's so seasony.
It's so seasoning.
Seasoning. Come on now. We defeated.
Yes, we are.
We tried.
Today's one of those days for me, y'all. Where ooh.
Why you always gotta go ooh every time you burp? Smell like gyros.
Ooh. Excuse me. Anyway, y'all have a good